construction world has changed when it comes to technology. If you're not incorporating technology, efficiency within your daily business, you're going to be falling way behind. I'm Josh Sierra. I'm the General Manager of Sprague Roofing and Exteriors here in Fort Collins, Colorado. When I first started in the roofing industry, I was a project manager, sales rep. That was in 2011. At that point in time, we hand measured all of our roofs. One inspection and one roof measurement would take me anywhere from an hour to 2 hours. Hover is one of the most accurate takeoff softwares that I've had the chance to work with. Hover allows myself and my team to go spend 5 minutes on a property, take photos, and get us all of our takeoffs within typically 30 minutes. We are in a hyper-competitive market. We have to get in front of as many people as we can and get them proposals as quick as we can. If we are the second, third, or fourth contractor that is giving the homeowner a proposal, there's a good chance we're not going to win that job. We're able to kick out estimates for siding or roofing within 5 minutes after we get the hover. Labor shortage is a real deal right now, especially in our area. Probably 70 to 80% of our new project managers have no construction experience when they come on. Having the tools that we have, including Hover, allows us to bring on people, get them trained up more in an efficient manner, and get out there and start making some money. We also use it as a design tool to help customers potentially change the exterior aesthetic of their home. The economy's tough, and a lot of people aren't spending as much as they used to on their homes or businesses, and you need everything that you can to help you combat that and win the jobs that you need in order to stay alive as a business.